Hello students, in the limit now let us see section D of chapter number 4, last exercise, page number 164 in the textbook. Now see, find the value of the following is given. Now in the limit we have to find out answer of the given equation. Now see here, let us see the first sum, that limit x tends to 1, 3x square minus 4x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is given. Here you can see that a factorization is given, right? Equation for the factorization is given. So we find out factorization of the given equation. Now see that limit x tends to 1, 3x square minus 4x plus 1 upon x minus 1. From the textbook it is written, right? So now let us do factorization of first of all 3x square minus 4x plus 1. First of all we write down limit x tends to 1. इसके फैक्टराइजेशन अगर आपको आते हो 9th स्टैंडर्ड में हमने पढ़े थे, दैट 3 1 जा 3 के हम ऐसे फैक्टराइजेशन निकाले कि टोटल -4 हो. सो 3 1 जा 3 आएगा, 3 + 1 कम्स 4, सो -3 - 1 बिकम्स -4, सो आ जाएगा -4, राइट? आपको ये फैक्टर्स आते ही है. सो 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x माइनस x प्लस 1 अपॉन इसके एज इट इज ही रहेंगे x माइनस 1. नाउ स्प्लिट दिस इक्वेशन, लेट अस टेक आउट 3x एज कॉमन. इसमें से पहले 3x को कॉमन निकाला तो आ गया x माइनस 1. देन यहाँ से -1 कॉमन निकालेंगे तो आ जाएगा x माइनस 1, राइट? अंदर के साइड साइन चेंज हो जाएगी. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी मेक ये इक्वेशन दैट 3x माइनस 1, फिर देन वी टेक x माइनस 1 अपॉन x माइनस 1. देन x माइनस 1 x माइनस 1 बोथ दैट गेट्स कट. सो एक 3x माइनस 1 ही रहेगा. नाउ इसके फैक्टर्स हम आगे नहीं निकाल पाएंगे. सो लेट अस पुट अप वैल्यू फॉर द x. वैल्यू फॉर द x 1 इज गिवन. सो 3 into 1 minus 1, so 3 minus 1, that comes 2. So this is our answer. So this is how we can solve sum of limit for the factorization, right? Now see sum number 2, sum number 3, sum number 4. All the three sums are very easy. This is all the three sums are same as this sum, first sum. So do it yourself. These are very easy. Now let's see. Let's solve sum number 5. Sum number 5. Then let's see that limit x tends to 1.5. For this equation is given that 2x square plus 5x minus 3 upon 4x square minus 1. First of all let's make factorization of this, that 2x square plus 5x minus 3. Factors of 2 3s are 6. 6 के हम ऐसे फैक्टर्स निकाले कि टोटल +5 है. सो 6 and 1, 6 1 जा 6, राइट? सो +6 minus 1 comes 5, right? So we get this value. So now let's put up this 6 and 1 into this factor, 2x square plus 6x minus x minus 3 upon 2 factors of this 4x square minus 1, that comes 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. Now let's split more. First of all we write down limit x tends to 1.5. Let's take out common first of all from 2x square plus 6. Common factor comes out 2x and remains x plus 3. Now from this 2 let's take out -1 and then x plus 3. Then in the denominator as it is 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1. Now let's make equation for this, 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 3, sorry, x plus 3 upon 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1. Now 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1, that is eliminated. So now we have only x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. Now we cannot do more factors of that equation. So now let's put a value 1.5 in place of x. x की जगह पे 1.5 रख दे. So 1.5 plus 3 upon 2 into 1.5 plus 1. If you simplify this equation we get 7/4. So this is our answer. Sum number 6, 7 and 8. All the three sums are same as this fifth sum. So do it yourself. Now sum number 9. Let's write down equation of sum number 9. Limit x tends to 0, 1.5 in bracket 5x plus 14 upon 3x plus 7 minus 2 bracket over, right? Okay, so now let's make factorization of this. So first of all we take LCM of this 3x plus 7. We multiply this 7x plus 7 with this minus 2. So limit x tends to 0, 1.5, 5x plus 14. Now we multiply this 3x plus 7 with minus 2. So 6x minus 14 upon 3x plus 7. Now let's take out common factor x from this given equation. So limit x tends to 0, 1.5. Common factor that comes out, that is minus x. See this plus 14 minus 14, that is eliminated. So now 5x minus 6x, that is left only. So let's take out minus x. Then 5 minus 6 comes minus 1 only. तो यहाँ पे एक लिखने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. So let's remain minus x only. So minus x upon 3x plus 7, right? Now we cannot do more factorization of this. So let's put up Let's put up 0 in place of x. So here 1 upon 0 comes, here x is also there. So 1 upon 0 in bracket. Here from this step minus x plus x both are eliminated. So now only minus 1 upon 3x plus 7 that is left, right? So now we put up 0 in place of x. So minus 1 upon 0 plus 7. 3 multiplied by 0 comes 0 only. So 0 plus 7. So minus 1 upon 7. So this is how we can calculate sum number 9. Now sum number 10, that is also an easy sum. So now sum number 11, that is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon x. Now limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 2 upon 3 plus 4 by x. So now first of all let's do factorization of this denominator. We multiply this x with 3. So 1 plus 2 upon 3x plus 4 upon x. Now we multiply this x in the numerator. So limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 2x upon 3 plus 4. So now we cannot do more factorization of this equation. So now let's put x is equals to 0. So 1 plus 2 into 0 upon 3 into 0 plus 4. So 2 multiplied by 0 comes 0 only. 3 multiplied by 0 comes 0. So 0 plus 4 becomes 4 only. So 1 plus 0 by 4, right? Now 0 by 4, that also comes 0. So now our answer, that is 1 only. Now sum number 12 from the textbook. Equation is this: limit x tends to minus p, x raised to 4 minus p raised to 4 upon x cube plus p cube. Now let's do factorization of this. That limit x tends to minus p, x square plus p square, and second one x square minus p square. Now we take out common factor. That common factor here becomes x plus p. Factorization of x cube plus p cube, that is x plus p, x square minus xp plus p square. All you have learned, all this factorization you have learned in your standard number 9, standard number 10. So same method we have to follow over here. Limit x tends to minus p, x square plus p square. Factorization of this, x minus p, x plus p. This remains as it is. So now x plus p and x minus p both are eliminated. So now we have only these two steps are left, and in the denominator this factor that is only left. Now we cannot do more factorization of this. So let's put up minus p in place of x. So p square है तो minus p whole square. This p square remains as it is. नाउ x है तो माइनस पी एंड दिस p as it is माइनस पी अपॉन माइनस पी होल स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स की जगह पे माइनस पी इंटू पी प्लस पी स्क्वायर, राइट. नाउ let's do more factorization. Minus p whole square becomes plus p whole square. So plus p whole square plus p whole square, this becomes minus 2p upon, this also becomes positive value, so p square minus minus plus p multiplied by p square plus p square. So now this p square plus p square becomes 2p square multiplied by minus 2p upon, this becomes 1 2 3p square, right. So now this p square and p square both are eliminated. So now we have minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 becomes minus 4 upon this 3 as it is. So minus 4 upon 3 and this p is left. So minus 4 upon 3 plus minus 4 upon 3p. So this is our answer. So this is how we can solve value of the limit for the given factorization equation.